In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app and tapping on this green button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, hit Allow and tap on the same button again. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Then name your recording and hit OK. To access list of all your recordings, use this button with 3 lines on the left. To play one of them, click on it. And to delete any of them, hit Edit button at the top right corner, tap on the chosen one and use Delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!